Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest iPhone tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something fun and practical: how to change the color and icon of your reminders lists on iPhone in 2025. This feature is a game changer for staying organized, as it lets you personalize your lists to match your style or even your mood. Whether you're juggling work tasks, grocery shopping, or personal goals, customizing your lists makes them stand out at a glance. So, grab your iPhone, ensure it's updated to the latest iOS version, and let's dive right in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Reminders app. You'll see all your lists displayed on the main screen. Go ahead and tap on the list you want to customize. Let's use a groceries list as an example. Once you're inside that list, look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. That's your gateway to customization. Tap on those three dots, and from the menu that pops up, select Edit List. This will bring up a variety of options. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find the color section. iOS 2025 makes this super intuitive. Simply swipe through the color palette and pick the one that vibes with you. Maybe a vibrant red for urgent tasks or a calm blue for daily routines. Next up, right below the colors, you'll see the icon options. Tap on that to browse through a selection of icons, like a shopping cart for your shopping list or a calendar for events. Choose the one that best represents your list, and watch your app transform. Once you're happy with your selections, hit the Done button in the top right corner to save your changes. Boom! Your list now has a fresh new look. This simple tweak not only makes your Reminders app more visually appealing but also helps you stay on top of your tasks without any confusion. There you have it. That's how you level up your iPhone experience in 2025. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.